Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where I will be revealing my next long position that I will be opening here on Bitcoin. I will be accumulating a new position here if we're coming to come closer towards the 38.5k here, because this level is an extreme strong supportive range here. This level has been several times providing us very strong support and resistance. So personally, I am anticipating, if we're going to see a retracement back towards this level, that we could be seeing a very significant bounce back towards the upside as well. I already reviewed this one on my Twitter page, and we will be going more in depth about it, why I right now think it's a good accumulation zone around this level here. And I will be going more in depth about, of course, the other things that are very likely to happen for Bitcoin as of this falling wedge that we are right now looking at as well here. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well to the channel, so you're not going to miss out on any of these time related update videos here. So with this out of the way guys, let me go right away into the video, and let me start off with discussing the Bitcoin 1 hourly candles here. So I will be right now, of course, telling everyone to not be, of course, falling for the fear, since, of course, yesterday we closed our trade perfectly. Of course, we even increased towards the 40k, but I closed my trade here on the 39.4k here, and of course, it was a very good take profit area. It was, of course, around this level over here, around these candles. After that, we still increased higher to new valuations here, but for me, I mean, of course, I'm glad that I took the profits here, since we're right now trading also approximately 2% below that target here, since, of course, we are right now trading 1.4% below our target that we took profit on yesterday. So we're doing a pretty good job, of course. So right now, if I'm looking to my Bybit chart, guys, you can see here the green line is the line that I will be accumulating my next long position here. So I will be once again sitting on the sidelines waiting. If I will be not get filled, it's fine, and I will be looking for the next opportunity right away here. But if I will be getting filled here, I will be, of course, very pleased here, since I do think it's a very good accumulation zone. And I will be right now giving my arguments about it, why I do think it's a good accumulation zone. So like I already told in the intro here, you can see here previous resistance, previous support. And if we're going further into towards this chart here, you can see previous resistance. This level has been showing us a lot of significance here in the past. And if we're going to see a retracement, because we just, of course, broke the downtrend over here on the 1 hourly candles, guys. So we broke the downtrend over here, we started a new leg up here, we created higher highs than the previous high, and right now I do expect that we're once again going to set a higher low, since of course the trend is right now shifting here on the 1 hourly candles, and what will be a more perfect higher low than of course the retest of our previous resistance target. So that's the reason why I will be accumulating this position over here, and of course I will be then trying to trade this one towards the upside. I will be trying to trade this one, of course, at least towards a higher high than the previous high, but of course my trade targets, I will be revealing them later on here, since I first accumulated this position with an approximately 15% stop loss here, so 1.5% stop loss, since I'm taking a 10x leverage. And of course, if you want to be joining me as well here, you could be already signing up here with Bybit, and if you're using my link in the description, you're as well getting an approximately $2,000 deposit bonus. And if you're going to do so, you could be depositing some funds here. After that, withdraw your funds, and you have some free trading money here on Bybit. So it will be amazing if you're going to use my link in the description if you want to be, of course, trying it out yourself as well here. So yeah, yesterday we made this call perfectly. I mean, yesterday I took an approximately 50% profit here on the end of my trade here. I of course took 50% profit, and I was very happy with it. And of course right now we'll be looking at the next opportunity here, and I should highly suggest to already follow me here on Twitter at Rover CRC, since of course I will be most likely revealing my price targets as well over here later on here, and as well if I'm getting out of my trade or something happens, and I will be closing my trade right away here on maybe 20% profit already. You just want to be following me here on Twitter, so you're not going to miss out on all these updates here. So yeah, we can see we broke the downtrend here. We started a higher high than a previous high. Right now, I do expect, of course, a higher low structure getting formed as well here, and to see, of course, Bitcoin bouncing from this level here. So I'm looking forward towards that one already here. And we could be maybe, if we're going to even fall further a little bit faster, we could be maybe even creating a divergence here on the RSI. But I mean, I'm not necessarily anticipating that for sure. So as well, this chart, of course, giving us a clear signal that we could be accumulating a long position over there. And if I'm as well looking to the Fibonacci, guys, because what I like to see here is, of course, multiple confirmations on a certain level, giving me a signal, okay, I could be accumulating right now around this level, and this is definitely not a bad accumulation zone. And to be just to be clear here, On the 4-hourly candles, we're clearly still on a downtrend here, so it is of course not the most risk-free trade here, and that's the reason why I'm as well having a very tight stop loss of 1.5% here, since of course if I'm going to take this loss over here, for me it won't be doing any harm, since yesterday we made a 50% profit here, and I could be literally doing another 4 times, and of course and my stop loss can be getting hit another 4 times, and it will be still be profitable even. So it's very important to just be patient and of course remain and stick to your strategy, since it could be bouncing very significantly from this level. Since as well here on the Fibonacci, you can see from swing high to swing low, we are looking for retracement levels. You could be of course finding very good support here on the 0.236 here, and you can see as well here on the 4-hourly channel that this level has been providing us very strong support in the past and resistance in the past as well here. So that's the reason why I do think this level will be at least providing us a minor bounce here. Maybe it won't be the most significant bounce that we have been seeing, but at least a very minor bounce here. I expect maybe 20 to 30% profit right away here. After that, I could be reevaluating, setting my stop loss in profit, and of course after that I will be just seeing what I'm going to do here. But that's already looking pretty interesting here. 38.7k is of course approximately level that the Fibonacci is going to touch here. What could be of course leading to a very significant bounce coming as well together with this orange box here, giving me the significance. Okay, we can be of course relatively careful right now. We can be relatively a little bit more patient, since this level will be most likely showing us a very strong bounce. So yeah, looking forward towards that one as well. We could be as well approaching this chart a little bit different here, because if we're looking here towards this chart, you can see clearly we are looking at a falling wedge here, and a falling wedge is a very bullish bias pattern. And if you're seeing a falling wedge getting created here on the Bitcoin price action, it breaks out towards the upside 9 of the 10 times here. Literally 9 of the 10 times a falling wedge breaks towards the upside. So even though if we're going to see our stop loss getting hit here, I will be remaining pretty calm here for the coming days probably, and we'll be waiting for a breakout here of the falling wedge. And as soon as we're seeing the falling wedge breaking out here, I will be opening another long position, since of course the falling wedge breakout could be once again a trade of an approximately 12%, what is of course 120% with a 10x leverage, what is of course a beautiful target what I want to be reaching, of course, since I mean these bigger gains are always the best here. I mean, yeah, I'm doing recently some more scalps as well here, but of course if you can be catching these big moves over the 10%, I mean those are definitely the best here. So looking forward towards that one already, and I definitely can't wait to see this one breaking out as well, since we are going to take this one for sure as well on the channel, since of course like I told you in the beginning of this analysis of the falling wedges are breaking out 9 of the 10 times here towards the upside, and I can't wait to see whether it is going to break out, of course. So probably some more consolidation. We're seeing already significance on the top side. We're seeing as well several touch points here on the lower side, approximately 6 touch points already. Of course, the top side is only lagging behind right now, approximately 3 touch points. So yeah, let's see if we can be, of course, consolidating a little bit more here. If we're going to go to the lower side, this will be meaning that we're going to see a retracement back towards approximately levels around the 37.5k here. Personally, not really highly anticipating 37.5k here. Of course, I've been already saying several times as well on the channel that we could be still going back towards 36k here. That's the reason, of course, even if we're going to break down here, that I will be remaining calm, and I will be only looking for longs right now on Bitcoin, since the reason why I'm saying so is on the daily candles, we have been starting an uptrend, and I want to be trading the trend here. I don't trade against the trend. The trend is your friend till it ends here. And right now, since the daily candles, of course, formed in higher high, I'm looking for a higher low structure as well right now here. And I want to be, of course, catching this trend in the exact beginning here. And that's the reason why I will be right now rather look at longs than shorts, and I definitely can't wait to see how this will be ending, of course, for Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, this was already it for today's video here. It was a pretty short video here, but later today I will be probably uploading another video here if we can be reaching the 400 likes on this video. So guys, thank you so much for once again tuning in here. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to join me here on this trade. I already, of course, like I told you before, set up some limit targets. If I'm not going to reach them, I will be completely fine, and I will be announcing when I'm going to remove my orders, since of course if Bitcoin is going to go back towards 39.4k or so, I will be most likely going out of it. Will be removing my orders, because it will be not going to give me the valid bounce that I was waiting and hoping for. So as long as we're right now not seeing a bounce yet here, I will be keeping my orders open here. If we're going to see a significant bounce, I will be going out of it. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll check you guys in the next one. Peace out.